What would you like to do today? Fab Inc. has created 4 tools to help you choose where to build schools, where to build extra classrooms, where to repair existing classrooms, and which schools to prioritise for financial support, Level 2 approval. The 4 tools work in the same way. You need to choose a district, the school level, and the number of suggested schools or locations you would like to see. You can see suggestions based on school census data from 2020 or 2019. The tools choose which school or location to recommend based on different criteria. For example, Level 2 approval is based on the remoteness of the school, how far it is from the nearest Level 2 approved school, and the poverty rate of the chiefdom. So it prioritises remote schools in poor areas. Using the default setting, the tool gives equal importance to both of these criteria, remoteness and poverty. You can also choose to give more importance to remoteness or poverty. Just make sure that the numbers you choose add up to 100%. Once you have selected the relevant criteria, you can see the schools on a map or download a list. To see the schools, click here. Schools are ranked, with number 1 showing the highest level of need. To go back and use another tool, click on the Home icon. The criteria for recommending locations for the construction of new schools are population of the area, how many children would benefit from a new school, remoteness, and poverty. Again, these criteria must add up to 100%. To download the list, just click here. Remember that you can see more information about each tool by clicking on the Info button at the top. For choosing where to build extra classrooms, the criteria are population, poverty, and the pupil-to-classroom ratio, the number of children enrolled per classroom. And for the final tool, which helps to choose where to renovate existing classrooms, the criteria are pupils per classroom, poverty, and the amount of classrooms in the school that need repair. Don't forget that you can decide on the importance of these criteria, but they must add up to 100%. We hope these tools help you in making your choices.